All right, so once again, I'm going to repeat the lecture how you can actually promote your TikTok, video to go viral. Now I'm going to open my TikTok. Assume your TikTok is installed on your phone, so you simply open your TikTok account, and then once you do that, what you're going to do now is you simply head over to this place here called profile. You click on the profile button below. When you do that, you now head over to the top button here. There's a button here at the top here, this three stripe button. Just click on it, it will drop. You will see creator tools. For those of you complaining that you have not seen creator tool, there's no problem. So let's assume you have creator tool here. Just simply open it. As soon as you open it, you will now scroll up. You will now scroll up to where you have more tools. Scroll up here. You're going to see under more tools here, you will see promote. So if you click on promote, once you click on promote, you are going to see all right, so you are going to see these are list of your videos, which is referred to as creative. This select creatives. So these are list of your video. Make sure your video is uploaded to TikTok, and then you can now choose any of this plan here. This one goes for 930, 1,400, and 5,000. All right, the one of this 1,400 will give you views between 3,000 to 6,000. So that is how you can actually maximize TikTok to promote. Then once you've done that, you can now select pay here. You click pay. Now, but if you select this option here, you can further customize it by clicking customize here, like I told you guys yesterday, and also in the tutorial. So, but for those of you who don't have a Creator Studio on your phone, what you simply do is, let me go back. Simply open up any of the video you want to promote. Open up the particular video you want to promote, and then okay, let's assume I want to promote this one here. Just click on the video.
This prayer is for you watching.
All right, the video has opened. Now you simply come here to this three dotted button here. Click on the three dotted button, and then click on increase views. Once you click on increase views, it will now bring you to the same place. So that means you want to promote this particular video. Open the video and then click that three dotted button and do the same thing. So it is the same thing you can still achieve here. So that is how you can do that. So any question, please drop it in the group. I will do a video to address it. Thank you.